Hey Ramona, it's Dr. Vidal from the Lipo Lounge.
And Daryl Walker.
And we are the owners of the Lipo Lounge here in Ramona, and we also live in Ramona. We love Ramona, and we want to tell you about a really special event.
We're having an open house, and you don't want to miss it.
And this is happening on Saturday, August 27th from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. So go ahead and mark your calendar. You don't want to miss out because we're going to be having some free health screenings, and that includes bone density, CardioVision, Fit 3D Postural Analysis, skin screenings, just to name a few. Normally these are worth a couple $100 each, and you know what, we're giving it away for free to the community on this day.
That's right. We'll also have crafts, entertainment, food trucks, and prizes.
And I hear that you, Daryl, are performing on the Lipo Lounge Main Stage.
That's right.
Oh my gosh. I'm coming just for that, right?
Why not?
Okay, yeah, we got a really talented guy here in Ramona, and he's going to be just tearing it up on the main stage, the Lipo Lounge Main Stage. So you don't want to miss that. We have a lot of crazy discounts on goods and services, and this is a really popular event that only happens once a year. We couldn't do it last year because of COVID and the year before because of COVID, but hey, we're back on track and we're going to have a really great time.
It's going to be amazing. We hope to see you there. So avoid the lines. Go to www.thelipolounge.com or click the link below and sign up. It's easy and it's quick, and we'll see you there.